We'll start with juice, Joy. How about
Right.
that? So I have my friend Joy here with me today. It's awesome. Actually, she's one of my students, so she knows my stuff, and she knows how easy it is. So awesome. We'll do that together. There is one for you, love.
Thank you.
You can see 𝗕𝗲. That's the name of my cafe when I had my cafe, and still there on the label. So okay. So let's start with the borscht. She loves that one.
I do love that one.
Ooh.
Yes, 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 yes.
It's a gorgeous, delicious one. My recipes are simply following the weight, as you can see here on my screen. So what I did is I prepared ahead of time. Yummy, eh?
Yummy. Yes, yes.
It's a green infusion, a green, transfusion of energy.
It is. It feels like a transfusion.
Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm just doubling the recipe, but if you were, you would follow this. So 290 of the bell pepper, and then we have 180 of the beets, and then we add 35 grams of the lemon juice, but I'm doing double, so I'm going to add 70. And on my scale here, it brings me to 390. See, it's so simple. You don't have to use and make things dirty. It makes it so much faster. Tamari. We add 30 grams of tamari. I'm using tamari. I mean, you could use soya sauce. I don't know. It would be the same taste, though. So I suggest.
Tamari as well.
Yeah, I suggest you always do as I say, then change after. But if you do as I say, you would have the taste that I know is good. Now we add the tahini. And what's important, another 30 grams, what's important is that the one that you use, if you like the taste, then make sure you keep that one for the next time. It changes. When your ingredients are not the same supplier, it's a different taste. So make sure you use the same one. We add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Just like that. And now we blend. So you blend until it's creamy. Yes, love?
It's so pretty.
The color is
it's
just
so pretty.
And as you saw, I had mostly red. I had some orange. If you were to do the borscht with a yellow bell pepper, then it would be more pink, which could be fun for kids. A pink soup. Little girls, I want a pink soup.
This is pretty pink.
Go. And then when you use your spatula like this, it doesn't splash. We will add to that some julienne, butternut squash julienne. Did you know there's tons of vitamin C in there? That butternut squash has a lot of vitamin C.
Good.
Really, you don't have to take so much as a supplement when you eat more food that has vitamin C.
Yes.
And then let's just finish it up. It's always pretty, isn't it? With a nice little sprout there.
The eyes eat first here.
Oh, yes.